Today, I'll show you the new features of the MockupBatch plugin and how they work. With the first new feature, you can now process mockups containing multiple smart objects and decide which artwork goes into which mockup. You can easily activate this new function inside the MockupBatch plugin. First, the source files need to be prepared. In my source folder, I have all the mockup PSD files and artworks. For the mockups, I create a mockups folder and place them inside. For the artworks, I create an artworks folder and place all artworks there. For the finished mockups, I create an export folder. This folder is empty for now. All final mockups will be exported there later. Next, we configure the mockup PSD files. In all 3 example mockups, we have several frames: portrait formats, landscape formats, and square formats. To ensure the plugin correctly assigns the artworks to the smart objects, I first rename the frames. It's important that each smart object has a unique name, appearing only once in the PSD. If a smart object is missing in a mockup, it will simply be skipped. Once all mockups are set up correctly, don't forget to save them. For the plugin to assign artworks to the correct smart objects, the artworks must be placed in folders named after the smart objects. Artworks for the main smart object remain directly in the export folder. Every additional smart object gets its own folder. In this example, each mockup has a smart object named Portrait. That's the main smart object, so all artworks for the main smart object Portrait stay directly in the export folder. For Landscape and Square, separate folders are created and the artworks placed inside. Now the source folders can be connected to the plugin. First, the mockups folder. Then the artworks folder. And finally, the export folder. For this example, I choose Fit as the placement method. Important: activate the Multiple Smart Objects option. As the export file format, I choose JPG. Since the main smart object has been renamed, I also need to change its name in the plugin settings. Instead of the default name at Artwork, I enter Portrait and save it. Now the batch process can be started. Done. All 9 mockups have been created. In the mockup with 2 frames, the third one was automatically skipped. Of course, this approach can also be used with more than 3 smart objects. The key is proper naming of the smart objects and their source folders, as well as the main smart object and its name in the plugin. I know, this can be a bit confusing at first. Here's a simple recap. Every mockup file must contain a main smart object with the same name across all mockups. The main smart object is filled with images from the export folder. Each additional smart object has its own folder with the same name inside the export folder. The name of the main smart object must be saved in the plugin settings. That's it. Simple as that. With the next new feature, you can now also create animated mockups as MP4 videos in batch mode. Here too, I start by creating a clear folder structure. One folder for the mockups, all mockups and any related video files go inside. Another folder for the artworks. I'll place 5 artworks in this folder. And one final folder for the rendered videos. Next, I check the smart object name of my mockup. In this case, the smart object is named @design. However, the default smart object name in the plugin is @artwork. I need to change this so the plugin can find the smart object during processing. Now I can connect the folders in the plugin. First, the mockups folder. Then the artworks folder. And finally, the export folder. For this example, I choose crop as the placement method. As export format, I select MP4. That's it. I can start the batch process. The rendering process may take longer depending on file size and computer speed. I've sped up the recording here. Important: Adobe Media Encoder must be installed. Before starting, make sure you can export videos as MP4. If this option is grayed out or missing, the plugin's MP4 export feature won't work. Done. 5 MP4 video clips created from 5 artworks. I'm always impressed by these clips. Ideal for artists, designers, and Etsy sellers who want to enhance their storefronts with realistic, high-quality mockups. Okay, cool. This also works with multiple smart objects in one mockup. Let's test that as well. First, let's set up a clean folder structure again. One folder for the mockups, containing all mockups and video files. Another folder for the artworks. And one for the final mockup videos. First, I check the mockups. There are 3 smart objects with a main one named @design. So, I need to change the default smart object name in the plugin. Each additional smart object needs its own folder, Art1 and Art2. Now I can connect the folders with the plugin. Oops, looks like I made a small typo. Now I need to activate the Multiple Smart Objects option. here we go. I have 2 mockups with 2 main smart objects, so 4 videos should be rendered. Rendering takes some time, in this case, over 5 minutes. So I'll shorten the recording here. Done. All 4 videos were rendered correctly. Alright, that's it. I think these new features can save you a lot of time. If you have questions or need support, feel free to email us. You'll find a contact form on our website. Thanks a lot for watching.